Today we will learn that how we can use multiplication, division and modulus in C. So this is my folder 3. Just create a new file and make it ml.c. Okay, so in this module we will learn how we can do multiplication in C. So into header file std.h, enter main, and now take two variables, which is int x, y, and one other variable which is mul. Okay, and another now we have to assign values to these. Okay, so it is 10, y is equal to 20, and mul is equal to x direct y. Okay, now print f and press tab. Now our code is completed. This is three variables x and y. Now we are multiplying these two values and storing the value in this mul variable. Now we are printing this value using the print function. So right click on this, reveal in file explorer, click here, open cmd, gcc mul.c and mul.exe. So this is your final output. Thanks for watching.